So what do we make of this ROR? Because we must point out these things. Our job is not academic. We have 238 million shillings here, which is a drop of 6 million. Instead of revenue growing, revenue is dropping. And then you bring us a report that is not owned and not signed by someone who bears a professional responsibility. This tells us that this is a looting, on-source revenue could be a looting spree. Why should we, Governor, why should we even waste time discussing this report? You are a professor, aren't you?
Yes, yeah.
There are things professors can do which persons with masters cannot do, isn't it? In the academic world.
Yes.
There are things members of ISPAC and qualified accountants can do which advocates cannot do.
Right.
In preparation of financial statements, which profession bears that responsibility?
It should have been the accountants.
So tell me, which of these people is a professional with that responsibility and sworn to a code of conduct?
Can give to my CEO of finance to respond to that.
And we don't want stories. Just tell us precisely that this report was prepared by ISPAC member number XYZ. Or it was prepared by the driver to the CEO. Because that's also possible.
Thank you, Chair. The report was prepared by the Director of Revenue. He's an accountant, but I'm yet to check his ISPAC number.
Where is that Director of Revenue? Where is the Receiver of Revenue?
I'm not here.
The Receiver of Revenue is not here. And you came to discuss the report of the Receiver of Revenue. Governor, how do you discuss the report of the Receiver of Revenue without the Receiver of Revenue?
He was informed, but I'm not sure why he's not here.
Who's the CEO of Bomet County Government?
The governor.
You didn't carry your attorney, they are legal questions. You didn't carry a Receiver of Revenue, we have financial statements that just indicate serious problems. How do you explain revenue dropping from 244 million to 238 million? Now that you're the CEO, can you explain to us? Because it's an upward trend elsewhere.
Of course, the receiver of revenue should have been here to explain that.
You did bring him, so you take responsibility. How did revenue drop from 244 to 238? Are you collecting and pocketing?
Not really, Chair. Maybe my CC finance.
What other explanation could there be? I do not see, I go through Bomet every other week, a beautiful county, endowed by nature, very hardworking people. People of Bomet are very hardworking. How then can revenue, on-source revenue, be dropping?
Okay, CC finance. Yes.
Thank you, Chair. I think I want to, the question you've asked is the drop in revenue. So we were not able to collect as we had anticipated, but we have, that is for the year 2024. But we have
the target for that year?
For that year it was 332. Yes, then we collected 238.
So 100 million off the mark.
Yes, we couldn't.
And I heard the